Hey guys, and welcome back to the Diabesties channel. February 14th, as you all know, is Valentine's Day, and I always say that on Valentine's Day we make the red hearts blue. But today's video is very special because I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy recipe which is like a Valentine's Day treat. And the best part, it is diabetic friendly. It's got only about 5 or 6 grams of carbs, so easy to eat, easy to make, delicious, and you can celebrate with your someone special, your diabetes. Come on, let's do it. All you need for this is really simple. You need some kind of a mold. If you have a silicone mold, it's better. I do not have a silicone mold, obviously, but just something, the size does not matter. If it's big, if it's small, no problem. You then need some yogurt. So you could use Greek yogurt, you could use normal yogurt, you could use sugar-free yogurt. I just have some regular yogurt over here which I have just whisked away to make it into this consistency. And then the part where you can experiment. Different kinds of berries. So I'm a fan of blueberries and strawberries, so I have some fresh strawberries over here and I have some frozen blueberries here which we're gonna include with the yogurt. What is this dessert called? I really don't know, but we're just gonna call it the Diabesties delicacy because that's what it is. So what you wanna do, it's so easy, you guys. So I'm just gonna cut up some strawberries real quick and put it into the yogurt. So it's like a yogurt berry iced bite. Right? And then I'm gonna put in some blueberries because I love blueberries. These are frozen already, but you can thaw them if you want. I really don't think it's a problem because it's anyways gonna go back into the freezer, so that's okay. Alright, just a little bit more. Alright, and now just mix this all together. And as you can see, the yogurt's got like a super cute pink color. I would have preferred it was a blue color because hey, diabesties, but we'll make an exception for one day. Now what you want to do is you're gonna fill them into these cups. I'm just gonna make 2 because so yeah, like I was saying, if you need more sweetness, add like a sugar alternative like a Splenda or a sugar-free. I don't think it's required, but then just fill it into these cups. Make sure there's enough yogurt and enough fruit in each of the cups, like so. There has to be equal parts of yogurt and equal parts of fruit, so ensure that that is there. Make sure they're all flat. And now for something special, you can completely avoid this step if you want. I'm just a huge dark chocolate fan, so I'm just gonna very roughly break up some dark chocolate bits, but just put in a few. You can leave it without it also, but I just think it adds something sweet. And then when you're doing this dark chocolate step, what's very important is that you also cheat and eat some dark chocolate. Really good. Okay, that's it. We have to freeze this now. How easy is that? Done. And you freeze it for about 2 or 3 hours till it sets. You don't want it to become rock hard, so keep checking on it, but you do want it to be like biteable. Remove it, scoop it out. You've got yourself the most amazing, easiest, diabetic friendly dessert. So enjoy Valentine's Day, you guys, and I will see you again in the next video. Until then, be safe, be happy, be healthy, and be type 1 of a kind.